Open me up and you will see that I'm a gallery of broken hearts. I'm beyond repair, let me be, and give me back my broken parts. Just give me back my pieces, just give them back.